every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So you know I have my trusty folder here.
Your trusty folder or your trusty packer? Speak true.
Packer folder. You know the vibe.
The vibe now.
Miss D Rich herself. I look so beat on camera right now. But it's light.
Just keeping this on there?
Yeah, so it's cute. So guys, we're packing. Well, I'm supervising.
Clearly.
But I'm being emotional support. But you said I can't pack.
Clearly. You only come with a carry-on and you can and then want to bring down luggage. Who does that?
Me, because my other suitcase has clothes in it.
Is mommy gonna park and bring you in?
How small to my?
She's parking and bringing me in.
She has to.
1/50th of the width.
She has no choice. What kind of slackness is that?
Or just drop you off on costumes. Naughty.
Yeah, so suitcase is being packed.
Who wants to buy? Selling.
We got some selling goods. Quasar clothing. Bloop.
Nice pants there, mo. Get a nice pants for the Christmas.
Alright, make it focus.
Get a pants for them for the Christmas. It all gets up nice cute pants for your man for the Christmas.
You're so ugly. That's how it looks now. It looks like chaos. You guys will see when it's done, packed and everything like that. I have some work to do, so am I still needed?
Tell them you'd be right back.
Am I still needed though? Do you still need me?
No.
Okay, so yeah, I'll be back, guys. Thank you for packing. What's your job?
Clearly.
Thank you.
Yeah, packing. It's time to go. Like, subscribe, and comment below.
See you in the next clip.
If you post this,
Well, she complains that I never put it in my vlogs. Okay. It's VLOGMAS. She's a pup chat. She is a pup. Come pup.
You can never look like somebody when you do your vlog. You always want to vlog me when I look like sitting the cat drug you.
Okay, so don't try face. I put some face wash thingy on my face. I'm letting it sink in. I'm about to color my hair. I'm gonna dye my hair jet black. I always do this like every couple months. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm using 2 boxes of Beijing in Oriental Blizzak. The black is black. I used 2 boxes of this and I mixed it into this bowl here. I mixed it into this bowl, so it's changing right now. I already put some in my hair because I was just idle, and I decided that I'm just gonna do it on camera with y'all. I'm watching Crown on Netflix. Comment below if you watch that show. Like, it's about like Queen Elizabeth. I'm big on history, so I love watching stuff like this. So I'm watching that on Netflix right now while I'm coloring my hair and sewing a wig. Multitasking. In the box it comes with 2 gloves. And put them on and get to work. Get it? Get it. I always dye my hair black. Like,
the Queen isn't qualification enough.
jet black hair is just the
Grandmother to our
most
future king is.
healthiest,
Bring her in.
sexiest looking hair to me.
Put her in a
Right?
room next to Princess Anne. She can keep an eye.
I love it.
Yes, ma'am.
I love it, love it, love it. seeing as I'm doing Vlogmas this month, right? Or whatever. Do y'all think I can keep up, like, posting every day? I'm so nervous. Like, I'm not nervous because I expect to do good with this. It's just like sometimes I get so lazy. One of my goals for the new year is to be more, you know, put more effort into me and my sister's channel. Putting up more stuff, more content, showing you guys like really who we are, other than those girls who put up little vlogs once in a while or whatever. It will give me the chance to kind of learn some discipline, as in like making sure I shoot every day, get some content out on time with a little schedule and whatnot. So Vlogmas is the test that I'm going to use to test myself, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm done mumbling and jabbling off because I feel like I'm not making any sense. Right now it is 5:53 a.m. in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm going on like 2 days without sleep. So I washed up my hair and I blow dried it. I'm gonna try to do something quick to my hair because right now when I say I can't bother, I literally cannot bother with life right now. So I'm gonna do something to my hair and get ready and push through the door because my flight's at 9. Brighty, my flight's at 9 o'clock, and it's gonna be 6 o'clock just now, so I need to leave by 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna get ready and then go wake up my mama and push out.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.